Hey, welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial.
Right, so first I'm moisturizing my lips with the Sun Balm Coconut Lip Balm, and then I'm taking the NYX eyeliner pencil, and I'm basically just drawing out like the eye holes part of the mask. And then I'm taking the white Snazaroo face paint and basically just, putting it on all my face. It takes a while, so you have to kind of work with layers to build it up, but eventually we'll get there. And then I moved it down onto my neck as well as my ears, and just tried covering up everything. And then I'm taking this NYX Macaron lipstick, and I think this is in the shade Coconut, and putting that on my lips, as well as like kind of dispersing it. I don't know if that made sense, or just trying to spread it around on my face. And then I took the Wet n Wild black gel liner, and basically I'm just filling in the eye holes, just as like make it as black and dark as I can to make it look like there's no one in there. And then I took the NYX Cosmetics Primal Color in Hot Black, and I'm basically trying to like kind of contour the face, but not like fully contour, but that way it just kind of gives it that like mask effect. And then I put my wig on.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pure Vita bracelet or a Sand Cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye.